We're going to talk about core engagement and how you can essentially properly breathe when you're doing your core exercises. What we're going to do first of all, as you can see, Chantel is lying on her back there, and she's got her knees up into this position. Okay, that's the first thing you want to do, and she's already done that. What you can also do, you can spread your legs a little bit further, so your feet are slightly spread, and there's a little bit of distance between your knees there. Okay. Now, the first thing I ask people to do here is to place one hand over the belly button and the other hand over your chest. As she breathes in, you can see that her entire body is inflating. So it's not just the rib cage. Do that again for me. The belly comes up, you can see the hand coming up, and you can see the rib cage coming up as well, and then breathe out slowly. Alright, so this is the first thing that you need to get used to, is breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. You've got so much air that you want to push out here. See how her chest is slowly deflating. You can go, keep going. You can even try and push your rib cage in. There we go. Keep going, keep going. You can do more. There we go. More. And that's it, relax. That's pretty tough because all you're doing there, you're essentially using all the internal muscles to push out all the remaining air you got in your rib cage and in your belly. Okay, just one more time, deep breath in. So once you've got the breathing pattern right, then we can actually go into core training. What you've been doing so far wasn't really core training per se, it's just the beginning, the initial steps. Okay, so the first step from the core training that I'm going to teach you now is the belly button vacuum. Okay, so what Chantel is going to do, whenever she breathes out, she's going to very deeply pull the belly button in towards the spine. So imagine you're creating this vacuum in your belly, everything is going inwards and slightly, okay? So what I want you to do, first of all, you're going to lift your feet off the bed there, and you're going to bring them to this position, keep your ankles apart a little bit, reach your hands in front, and touch your fingers like this. This is what we call the sphere, okay? The lower back is completely flat on the bed there. Now, what Chantel is going to do, she's going to do the same sequence as before, but keeping like your legs and arms in that position, okay? So a nice deep breath in, and breathe out, belly in, pelvic floor, rib cage, knees, a lot to think about, but this is the full dead bug and the way it should be done if you want to create maximum efficiency and maximum output. And relax. How's that?
A bit of shaking happens.
A bit of shaking. Shaking is a good thing. If you get shaken, don't be afraid because that's normal. Everyone gets it.